Organic food company Annie's Inc. began trading on the New York Stock Exchange last week under the ticker BNNY. After pricing higher than expected at $19 per share, the Berkeley, California-based company is now trading roughly twice that. I'm joined now by CEO John Foraker, who can tell us a little bit more about the IPO. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Are you surprised that it wound up doubling?
It's a very exciting time for Annie's and all of our employees that have been working for many years to build a great company, and we're just excited to be on the exchange and to share our brand and vision with a much broader audience.
Given the success of your IPO, are you considering maybe a secondary offering?
There's no real plans to do that right now. That's really kind of outside my camp, but I think it could happen in the future. Slayer Capital, been a long-time investor in Annie's, very supportive of our business and helping us grow it in a really sustainable way. But there's no plans for that right now, short term.
So I understand that part of the proceeds are going to be used to pay down debt. What else are you going to do with the money that you raised from the offering?
So mostly to pay down debt, really to put us in a position where we have a really strong balance sheet. We have a business that's generated a lot of cash, as you can see from the public filings. And so really we're just going to focus on building the brand and business the way that we always have, staying really true to our values. It's very important to Annie's to be socially responsible and environmentally sustainable. We were started to do that and to show that you could build a great business at the same time. And so it's just going to continue to build relationships with consumers and make ourselves more relevant to the household with the Annie's mom who's buying for the whole household.
Profits are up, as are revenues. How are you going to sustain that when there are new entrants and there are organic food giants like Whole Foods?
Well, we've been very successful competing over time by staying really focused on our consumer. From the very beginning, we've really listened to the consumer, and so we feel like we have a good, strong relationship with them, and we're going to continue to build the business just by staying right on that compass, right on that focus.
Some people are saying that Annie's would make a good acquisition target. What do you think about that?
Well, I think Annie's a great company. That shouldn't be surprising. There's been a lot of interest in Annie's over the years. We think going public right now is a great step for us because we think we're much closer to the beginning of what Annie's can be versus the end. And we want to just continue building the business in as pure a way as we can, authentic and connected with our consumers in a way that really respects our values. So we're going to focus on that.
All right, thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.